Hey guys, Kate from Breakwater Media here, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool Canva hack, how to make a flipbook. Firstly, you need to open up Canva. Either you can open up the app if you have it downloaded, or you can open it up online. After we have opened up Canva, what you're going to do is you're going to search for a book and then scroll down to where it says book. I want to make a portrait one, so I'm going to make a portrait book. The wonderful thing about Canva is that there's preset templates, so all you have to do is select a preset template. You can change the elements as well. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to select the first template. It's this beautiful little island escape book. Now I'm just going to say apply to all. So there's 22 pages, so yeah, just click apply all. In this book, as you can see, there's a lot of beautiful elements. This creator has obviously made a very beautiful book, so you guys can go through, change a few ideas. For this one, I'm just going to make a couple of changes here. Instead, I'm just going to call it my travel journal. As to my travel journal, I'm just going to do a little subheading, and my subheading is going to be diving in Cape Town. Great. I'm just going to change the font to font that I like. I quite like Railway. I'm just going to select that font and apply it to everything in the book. And I'm just going to again change the subheading font as well, just to Railway, apply to everything. And I'm just, for a little change, I'm just going to show you guys there's beautiful branding colors within Canva. This is very easy to just like stick to the colors that they've given you, making it look all like one thing, flowing beautifully. You can also just, change the sizing a little bit, make things bold, underlined. You can play around with the elements. Really, there will be more in another tutorial, but just to show you, you can apply things, you can group, send images to the back, you can even animate little things. There's really a lot that you can do. Right, once you're done, you're going to click the share button, and you're going to select more because we want to get the flipbook option. So click on more. As you can see, Canva has a lot of different ways that you can share the material that you've created, which is fantastic. But now type in the search bar, you're going to type in flip, and you're going to see there's Hazing Flipbook. Give that a click. Great, you're going to say that you're going to want to use this. Canva has a little note on it. Feel free to read in your own time. Then just make sure to select all the pages. I don't know why, but Canva just doesn't select all pages. It only does 10. So just select all, or if you don't want to select all, you only want a quick selection, just select the page range that you want and hit save. It's going to take a few seconds just to prepare your design, but just be patient, it will get there. Great, now that your design has been saved, you're going to want to view in the Hisense Flipbook. So click on that. It's going to open up in your browser. It does take a little while. Right, once everything's loaded, as you can see, there's your beautiful flipbook. Just please do note, like if you don't have an account, it is going to expire after like 1 week. So just take that into account. But as you can see, there is your beautiful flipbook. You can see you can flick through the pages, either click the little arrow next to it, or you can click on the pages themselves. It creates this very cute little flip noise, but if that annoys you, just hit the mute button. Great, and there is your flipbook. You can edit things, whether it be your logo or your audio. You can edit at a later stage. When you want to hit share, you can either copy the link or you can share directly. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to copy the link and open in a new tab just to show you guys that it does work, like it's shareable. Just going to type it into my browser, hit enter, and there you go. You can see this is what it's going to look to whoever you want to share it with. They can click on arrow, go through your entire book. Easily available for them to view. If you would like to register, it's very simple. You can just sign in with Google, sign in with your email address, and by creating an account, you can have up to 5 flipbooks for free. So as you can see, this is my one. If it's not applicable to you, you can always delete it. Yeah, so that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this of any value, please give us a like and subscribe for more videos to follow.